Have you ever have you ever been to Machu Picchu? Have you ever played the guitar? Have you ever photographed over 1,000 pictures just in one day? Have you ever photographed over 1,000 pictures just in one day? Have you ever met a famous star? Have you ever made an exercise at the beach? Have you ever done skiing? Have you ever ridden a motorcycle? Have you ever drunk tequila? Have you ever driven a car? Have you ever read Harry Potter? Have you ever found money on the street? Have you ever studied English before? Have you ever seen a marathon? Have you ever eaten tacos at home? Have you ever stayed over 15 hours in your office? Have you ever seen the Great Wall of China? Have you ever had an iPhone before? Have you ever been with dolphins? Have you ever lost your wallet? Have you ever fallen asleep on your laptop?